Hello guys and welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I will tell you that how to use ChatGPT to write a book. So if you wanted to write a book and you don't know like where to start or what will be the structure of your book or how to write a professional book, that you can use the help of ChatGPT. So before starting the video I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks and for more videos like this one. So we will use the chat gpt. So first of all, open up your browser. The browser, you can use any browser like it's Google Chrome, Firefox, or Opera or Safari. So once you are have opened up your browser, you will just type here like chat gpt, and then you will open up this first link where it says openai.com introducing chat gpt. So open up this link and then just click on this link where it says try chat gpt. And once you are in, if you are not logged in, it will actually ask you to log into your chat gpt account. So as you can see that we are just logged in to our chat gpt account. So let's wait for it to basically load up all the thing. So here you can see that our chat gpt is opened. This will be the structure of chat gpt. Okay, so before starting the book, the first thing actually is to actually get the structure of a book. Okay, like how you will start the book and then how you will continue the book and how you will keep the readers attracted towards your book, that they don't get bored. Okay, and then how you will add the suspense in your book and how you will actually do the ending of your book. So the structure is very important for your book. Okay, so we will write the command here like this one, like create the structure for a horror fiction uh, template book. So let's suppose that if you wanted to write a horror fiction book, then how you will actually uh, get the structure of the book, and then just press enter here, and then here it says that show here's a possible structure of a horror fiction template book. So it will basically tells you that how you will start the book, then how you will continue the book, and how you will actually end the book. Like it will actually, like chat gpt is actually telling us that what will be the possible structure of your horror fiction book. So the first one is the introduction. Begin with an opening that sets the stage for horror. This could be an ominous description of a setting, a character introduction, or a foreboding event. Then the build up. The first act of the story should build suspense, introducing the characters, their relationships, and the settings. It's important to establish the normality of the character's life before then the trigger. The trigger is the event that unleashes the horror, and that the unveiling. As the horror intensifies, the characters should begin to uncover the truth. And then the escalation. As the characters struggle to come to grips with the situation, the horror should continue to escalate. The confrontation. The climax of the story is to confrontation between the characters and the source of the horror. The aftermath. After climax, the story should wind down, giving the characters time to reflect on what's happened. And then the conclusion. Then conclusion should leave the reader with a sense of unease. So remember, this is just a template, and it's important to be creative and come up with unique ideas that will make your horror story great. So as ChatGPT is also telling you that this is just a basic structure. Okay, if you have anything in your own mind, okay, you can use your own mind's creativity to do this. Okay, so and now we have the basic like a structure of our book. Here we will go with the introduction. Okay, so right uh, right above uh, introduction for horror book. So just tap on this one, and certainly here is it as an example of an introduction for a horror book. Okay, the old mansion stood at the edge of the forest, its crumbling walls casting long shadows. So it's so let me just again tell you that just this is just uh, this is just the example of how the introduction of your story should be. Okay, so let's suppose that if you are also looking, or if you are also looking to write a horror fictional book, then how your introduction could be. You don't have to copy this text from here and just paste in your book. Okay, and then the build up of the story. All right, build up for above horror book. So it will just, so we just have to regenerate this process here. I don't know why it's not working here. Okay, so just refresh this and just open up this once again here. And okay, so now it is actually building up for the story here. So this is, so these are just the example of what basically, like, to do this. Okay, so now we have this one and this one also, so you can just like write these one by one, and you will get the idea that how to basically use this structure to write an amazing book. And if you basically like if you have a book, like if you are a fan of a book and you read any book somewhere. Let's suppose that you have read the Dracula by Bram Stoker here, and you want to know the structure of that book, that how you can just basically do this. Is you will just write here, create now, and sorry, structure structure based on the Dracula Bram Bram Stoker and book. Now what GPT will do, GPT will use this book and write its structure here. Okay, like if you wanted to know that how this book is created, or what will be the structure of this book, then just press enter here. And here is a possible structure for a horror novel based on Dracula by Bram Stoker. So the introduction and the build up, and now it's telling you that how this book was built up basically. So you get the idea to actually, before writing the book. So it's very important basically, like if you are writing a book, then it is very important to get the idea, to get the structure, that or to get some kind of information, that how you will actually start the book and what will be the structure of your book. So as you can see that it has give us all the possible structure that should be on this Dracula by Bram Stoker here. So I think guys that now you get the idea that how to write an amazing looking book using ChatGPT. So the structure is very important. You can use this and you can actually write within your own mind. Don't ever use ChatGPT, because if you use ChatGPT in all of your work, then your thinking power will be lost. So you just get the idea, get the structure from here, and then you can just use your own mind to write an amazing story. So guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will see you in the next video.